Fly across the sky. What's this?
A turtle.
This one.
A lion. Monkey. An elephant.
Huh?
Elephant.
What's this?
Adam.
There.
A rabbit. Lizard.
On
On
the... Pagod ka na.
Naantok na siya.
Na? Na?
Natatay ka.
Napagod na ako eh.
Bawa. Galing ah. Oh, ikaw mo po ka.
Say cheese.
And she's
The
the
sixth day
day
God
God
made
made
animals
animal
to
to
creep, crawl,
crawl,
hop,
hop,
and
and
gallop.
go
Then
there
from
from
the
the
dust
God
God
made
made. Dito ka kaya
Say
tumingin.
cheese.
The most wonderful creature of, dito ka tumingin, of all. A person God named him Adam. On the seventh day God rested. Adam, snake, dito muna. Adam,
Davis, mauntog ka sa upuan.
Adam,
Hello to mama.
Adam, and
Dali na.
Eve.
Hi, mama.
Hi, Mama.
How are you?
How are you?
God
God,
had
Sabihin mo nga,
planned
ano, what is your name?
what is your name?
Sagutin mo. What's your name?
My
A
name Lebron Davis Del Rosario.
beautiful,
What is your mama's name?
beautiful,
Rochelle Del
Garden.
Rosario.
What is your papa's name?
Adam,
Cornelia Del Rosario.
in,
How old are you?
4 years old.
ano ba yan?
Where do you live?
Ang tipo lang tipo.
Very good. Your grade is?
65.
Ano
Yeah.
to, Eden or Eden?
Eden.
Eden. Naisip ko Eden.
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 Eden pala, Eden.
Hindi
A
Eden.
river
Are you tired?
through the
What are you doing?
garden.
No.
There.
What no? What are you doing, Davis?
There.
Car.
What's
Where is your car?
this one?
Snake.
Who's this?
Ebe.
Adam.
White
What's this?
and purple.
What's this?
Very good. You want to go to school?
What's
Yes.
this?
When?
Grass.
When?
Now, there was...
When, Davis?
Tapos na yan eh. What's this? Leaves. Pakita mo
She's
kay
what?
mama yung early.
Okay, dali.
Amin na
Dito
yung
ka.
car.
Ay,
Walang
hindi ka na makalabas.
Ayan daw, dali.
Diyan ka.
Maayos ha, maayos
Dito tayo
na
ka
early.
dyan. Yan.
Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man happy and wise.
What else? What else?
Sabi, ayos
What
na.
else?
Ayun o yung ABC oh.
Okay.
What's that? What's that?
Kantahin mo.
Okay. Ikaw, tanong ginatuan.
Ikaw magsabi. What's that?
Go.
Dali, sabihin mo. Ipapadala ko to kay mama mo.
A, B,
Davis, gusto mo magalit si Tita Nine? Ikaw magsalita.
Ikaw nga eh. A